This oven's not working, so it's time to replace the oven temperature sensor. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is make sure that the appliance is unplugged. Then I'm going to go around to the back of the appliance and remove all the screws from the back panel. There are a bunch of screws all the way around the perimeter of this cover in the back. So I'll just go around, work my way all the way around and remove each one. Now once I remove the last one, I'm going to slightly lift up and take the panel off. Then I'm going to move around to the front inside of the oven, and my temperature sensor is up here next to the light. You can see it right here. It's held in place by two screws, so I'm going to use a 5/16 socket or nut driver to remove the temperature sensor. Once I get the two screws out, I'm going to pull out slightly on the temperature sensor and let it hang by the wires. Then I'm going to go around to the back, and you can see the wires are right here. So I need to disconnect the little plug for the temperature sensor and send it back through. Here's my temperature sensor once it's removed. So I've got my new one and I have the part number listed right there. I will then feed that temperature sensor through the wall in the oven and go around the back and pull it till most of the wires in the back, and put my screws back in the bracket that holds the temperature sensor. Get the second hole lined up and I can put the last screw in. I'll go around the back again and I'll plug in my temperature sensor. It only fits in one way, so that's very easy to do. Click that into place, make sure all the wires are tucked in the right location. And there's a little tab here. My back plate will hook into that. So if it's a little difficult, then that might be the issue. Then I just go around the perimeter of the back cover and tighten the screws down. Once I get all the screws tightened up all the way around the perimeter, I can then plug my oven back in, and that's how you replace the oven temperature sensor. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for any updates. I'm How To Bob, and as always, thanks for watching.